What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be modifying, painting, and reinstalling my side skirts. So I have decided I would like to put my side skirts back on. And the real reason I took them off in the first place was because I was actually running no fenders at all for a little while. So I couldn't leave the side skirt on. It would look pretty dumb and it wouldn't really have anything to mount to. So I took it off then I did these custom widened fenders. So then obviously the side skirt would not fit on with that. But now, especially after I finished the EXO bumper, I think it will look a lot better with the side skirts back on. So in order to actually fit the side skirts, I am going to need to modify them because of my widened fenders. So my first task is going to be actually cutting out a section right here. So I'm basically gonna have to notch this like down and across. And it's gonna have to be about 1.25 inches because that is what this gap is. That's how much I widen my fenders. So I'm going to have to notch that out. There is one mount right here, which I might just have to get rid of. I'm not sure yet, but all of the other mounts should still work. It has a few mounts on the top and then underneath the car, those should be fine. So I think it's still gonna stay on fine. I might need to try to figure out something up here, or I might need to cut off some of that. And the reason why this one is black is because this car was in an accident before I bought it. So it came without a side skirt, so I did have to buy one and never painted it. So once I do get both sides modified, I am going to paint both of them. Like I said, first task is going to be marking and cutting out these side skirts. I'm hoping it's gonna be pretty easy, but we'll see how it goes. So as I suspected, I will need to remove this mount completely. But I think I should be fine because I will be able to still use the mounting on the inner fender well here. I'll just probably need to drill some new holes in this piece. I've now got the left skirt completely modified. So I did the cut first. I then realized I needed to cut a little bit more off of here. And then I ended up just slicing that off because it wasn't doing any good sticking up inside the fender well. And then I marked and drilled a new hole here, so that will actually attach to the fender. I did completely remove this mount, but I think I should be fine because I'll have this mount and one under here. So yeah, it looks pretty good on the car. It sits pretty flush. So now I'll just do the exact same thing to the other side. just finished doing a little bit of buffing on my paint job. And so I actually decided not to paint the right side skirt. So I actually was able to clean up a lot of the dirt and like tar and grime off of it. It does still have this scratch, but really I noticed when it's on the car, it's like this and you do not see the scratch like at all. So for now I'm gonna hold off on painting that one. But I did paint the left side and it came out pretty nice. I just did a little bit of light polishing, but I think it's definitely good enough for what I was expecting. And you can see against the other one, it looks like the paint matches pretty well. This is the same paint I used for my fender, and you can see the fender, it's not perfect, but in most lights it looks pretty much spot on. So the last thing I have to do is reinstall and see how it looks.